Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about PRPT, petroleum refining and petrochemical technology. Topic is the lead doctoring of gasoline. This is the most important topic in a gasoline treatment. In a previous lecture, આપણે જોયું હતું for a dewaxing માટે જોયું હતું. Simply is a dewaxing technique. Okay. And the other part of this gasoline treatment માં જોઈશું આપણે lead doctoring of a gasoline part. First of all, the simpler part, opening the compound in a gasoline are the doctors by the containing with a different chemical basis. Okay, કોઈ બી કમ્પાઉન્ડ હોય એના બેઝિસ પર આપણે કઈ બી રિએક્શન્સ કરતા હોય એને અલગ અલગ પ્રોસિજર આવે છે જે ટાઈપમાં આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા કે ડોક્ટર સુટનિંગ પ્રોસેસ. ઓકે, આ ગેસોલિન માટે છે. ડોક્ટર સુટનિંગ છે આપણે રિમૂવર ઓફ ધી સલ્ફર કમ્પાઉન્ડ માટે હતું. દેન આફ્ટર કેટાલિટિક ડીસલ્ફરાઇઝેશન પ્રોસેસ, then also Marox treatment, mercaptan oxidations, treatment of kerosene by sulfur dioxide extraction, solvent extraction process, furfural extraction process, phenol extraction process, deoxyl extraction process. This is a simply gasoline treatment. For one type, in fact, of the gasoline, sweetening is done by the all available techniques. Okay, simply the lead doctoring of a gasoline treatment માટે જોઈએ આપણે. So what is the discussion part is there? First of all, is there in this method of the treating charge of stock. Okay, treating charge of stock in sure gasoline is thoroughly agitated in a mixture one with a solution of this caustic plumbite. Okay, simply આ equations માં આપણે use કરીશું is a one type of caustic plumbite. Okay, એનું reactions કોના જોડે થશે? Simply in this method of the treating chain stock or a charge stock. Okay, how to charge stock material for a flow diagram na basis પરથી જોઈશું આપણે. Which one as shown in the completely figure. Okay, and the other discussion part is there for a petroleum refinery technology for a gasoline treatment. Okay, the lead becomes liquid sulfide during this reaction as shown in below. First of all, the simple reaction is there. Twice NaOH plus PbO is gives the Na2PbO twice is sodium plumbite. Okay, simply in this method of a treating the charge stocks for a sour gasoline is a thoroughly agitated mixture in a one. Okay, within a caustic plumbite, lead becomes the lead sulfide during this reaction as shown in below. First of all, this reaction given there, this one most important. In this method treating charge stocks, okay, a sour gasoline is thoroughly agitated in a mixture one with a solution of the caustic plumbite. Okay, in this method for a lead becomes for a lead sulfide. Lead sulfide during this reaction as shown in below. For a twice NaOH એટલે કે સોડિયમ હાઇડ્રોક્સાઇડ 2 moles છે અને caustic plumbite is a PbO gives to which is the reaction Na2PbO twice plus H2O ના basis પર છે. Okay, the how to this reaction will be this one twice NaOH plus PbO Na2PbO twice. This is a sodium plumbite. Okay, and the which more the H2O. Okay, then alkyl sulfide reaction Na2 twice RSH. Which one reactions is there? Twice RSH plus Na2PbO twice gives to PbSr twice plus twice NaOH. Okay, and again one mole reactions PbSr2 plus pure sulfur. Okay, pure sulfur is gives to sodium plumbite plus R2S2 alkyl sulfide reactions. Simply again more repeated parts for this one. gasoline treatment. A gasoline treatment is the different types. The first one is there red vapor pressure also. Okay, octane number, sulfur content છે એના માટે, viscosity index also. Okay, the offending compound in a gasoline are the doctor for containing with a different chemical also. In this lead doctoring of gasoline for a charge stocks material for a lead sulfide જે આપણે यूज કરીએ છીએ lead sulfide ને આપણે यूज કરીએ છીએ. Okay, the lead sulfide during this reaction as shown below the twice NaOH એટલે કે 2 moles of આપણે આપ્યા છે સોડિયમ હાઇડ્રોક્સાઇડ. ઓકે, પ્લસ કોસ્ટિક પ્લમ્બાઇડ यानी कि PbO lead oxide છે, કોસ્ટિક પ્લમ્બાઇડ આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ. and the Na2PbO twice, okay, plus H2O, 2 moles of alkyl sulfide यानी कि twice RSH plus sodium plumbide यानी कि Na2PbO twice આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ, gives to the PbSr2 plus twice 2 moles of sodium hydroxide and the 2 moles of alkyl sulfur यानी कि PbSr twice plus pure sulfur વડેનું રિએક્શન્સ કરાવીએ છીએ. તો શું મળે છે આપણને? PbS alkyl sulfide plus lead sulfide plus R2S2 alkyl sulfide. This is lead alkyl sulfide A, first one reaction is reacted with a fixed sulfur mixture 2 to free lead sulfide from the disulfide as shown in a figure. And the reactions B માં આપણે જોવાના છે ફિગરમાં. which one figure is this one? Okay, આ ફિગરમાં આપણે જોઈશું. Then lead alkyl sulfide A is reacted with a fresh sulfur mixture to the free lead sulfide from the disulfide as shown in this above reactions. B, for a lead alkyl sulfide is converted to the sodium plumbide by blowing air into the spent solution obtained from this settler 2 part. Okay, and the PbS plus 4 moles of sodium hydroxide plus twice O2 gives the Na2PbO twice plus Na2SO4 plus twice H2O is a percentage of this excess. Okay, હવે જોઈશું આપણે main reactions part. Okay, this is a lead doctoring of gasoline figure. area part છે main figure નો part. Okay, the first of all તો શું કીધું છે આપણને? which one reactions is there? This alkyl sulfide in a mixture 1. Okay, this alkyl sulfide A reacted with the fresh sulfur mixture 2. કયા મિક્સરમાં સલ્ફેટ હશે? in a this mixture, આ mixture 2 માં અને mixture 1 છે. this is a sulfur part of this settler 1. Okay, and then in this method of treating charged stocks, sure gasoline is thoroughly agitated in a mixture 1 with a solution of this caustic plumbide. lead become this sulfide during this reaction as shown in a below part માં છે. simply which one reactions? the twice RSH. okay, twice RSH plus Na2PbO twice gives to શું મળે છે આપણને? PbSr2 આ પાર્ટ્સમાં મળે છે. ઓકે, PbSr2 and this lead alkyl sulfide A reactions જે mixture 1 માં જે reaction થઈ ગયું હતું એ lead alkyl sulfide is a charged stock is there and is reacted with the fresh sulfur mixture 2, this one. Okay, as a lead sulfide from disulfide as shown in the above reactions B. which one reactions? above reactions is a PbS જે આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. which one reactions is there? PbS plus 4 moles of sodium hydroxide and adding to oxygens. તો શું મળે છે આપણને? સોડિયમ પ્લમ્બાઇડ, Na2SO4 અને twice H2O મળે છે. ઓકે, as this regenerated solution is ready for the treatment and the lead consumptions in the evident from the reactant is the negligible part બટ આલ્કલી કન્ઝ્યુશન ઇઝ હાઈ જે રિએક્શન્સ માટે છે. ઓકે, હવે મેઇન આપણે ફિગરમાં જોઈએ. ફર્સ્ટ વન પાર્ટ આપ્યો છે તમને 4 સ્ટોક્સ. These are fresh doctor soils. This one part. આ છે એ તમને ફ્રેશ ડોક્ટર સોલ્યુશન આપ્યું છે. Which one part is there? First of all, the using a char stocks. Then a fresh caustics part using a mixture 1. A settler 1 part is this is a drain. Sulfur compound mixtures 1 and mixture 2. Settler 2 parts is a discharge solution. This is a regenerator part. Okay. This is simply this alkyl sulfide. This alkyl sulfide is reacted with a fresh sulfur in a mixture 2. The free lead alkyl sulfide has shown in reactions B. જે આપણે રિએક્શન્સમાં જોવાના છે ફરીથી એકવાર. And the lead sulfide is converted back to the sodium plumbite by blowing air into the spent solution. And this obtained from the settler 2. The reaction is there. This one part. ઓકે, જે રિએક્શન આપણે જોઈ લીધું છે. And this the generated solution is ready for the treatment. The regenerated solutions is ready for the treatment. Lead consumptions as evident from this reactions is negligible, but alkali consumption is high. For operating data, this one doctor solutions to the gasoline 1:5 એનો રેશિયો કેટલો છે 1:5 નો છે. અને ટાઈમ ઓફ ધ કોન્ટેન્ટ 1/2 મિનિટ. ઓકે, ટાઈમ ઓફ કોન્ટેન્ટ કેટલો છે 1/2 મિનિટનો છે to 1 minute, 1/2 to 1 minute નો છે. Sulfur addition and stripping of the 5 to 15 minute. Air regeneration temperature 100 degrees Celsius also. And pressure up to 1 to 5 kilogram per meter square. Okay, and other discussion part is there for this processing જે આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરી ગયા છે ઓલરેડી. The regenerated solution is ready for a treatment. Lead consumption it is evident from these reactions. It is negligible. Okay, and but alkali consumption is high. Okay, the regenerated solution is ready for a treatment. Lead consumption is evident from this reaction also. And a negligible part છે ને આપણે અવગણ કરીએ છીએ, but alkali consumption is a very high માટે છે. And there is a one of difference is a lead doctoring process. That is a sulfur in organic phase यानी कि gasoline is converted to a disulfide and is allowed to go into the streams. For us, disulfide is considered to be less harmful than sulfide. The calculated amount of the fresh solvent sulfur should be added, otherwise sulfur will be increases in the end of this product. Okay, simply end of this product. And there's a other discussion part is there. Simply again repeated part, the operating data is there. The ratio of doctors, any solution part, the gasoline ratio કેટલો છે 1:5 નો છે. And the time of this content 1/2 minute to 1 minute, 1/2 to 1 minute નો જેટલો ટાઈમ આપેલો છે તમને. And the time of the content જોયો છે. Sulfur addition કેટલા છે stirring તો 5 to 15 minute only. The air regeneration temperature 100 degree Celsius, pressure 1 to 5 kilogram per centimeter square. And the regenerated solution is ready for a treatment. Lead consumptions as will be evident from the reactions is negligible, but alkali consumption is a high. One different in this doctoring, sulfur is organic phase is converted to disulfide. It is allowed for these streams. And as disulfide considered the less than harmful sulfide, taken this reactions for a settler 1, settler 2, mixture 1 and mixture 2, જેમાં ચાસ્ટર્સ તરીકે આપણે કોસ્ટિંગ પ્રોમ્બાઇડ અને આલ્કાઇલ સલ્ફાઇડનો યુઝ કરીએ છીએ એન્ડ પ્યોર સલ્ફર વડે એનું રિએક્શન્સ કરાવ્યું છે. the calculated amount of this fresh sulfur should be added, otherwise sulfur will be increases in the end of this product. Okay, તો અગેન રિએક્શન્સ જોઈએ આપણે. તો એના બેઝિસ પર કયું રિએક્શન્સ આવશે? ફર્સ્ટ રિએક્શન જોઈ ગયું આપણે, ટ્વાઇસ NaOH પ્લસ PbO, અને ટ્વાઇસ NaOH પ્લસ PbO gives to Na2PbO twice plus H2O. હવે આલ્કાઇલ સલ્ફાઇડનું રિએક્શન કરાવીએ આપણે સોડિયમ પ્લમ્બાઇડ જોડે, તો ટ્વાઇસ RSH પ્લસ Na2PbO twice gives to PbSr2 પ્લસ ટ્વાઇસ NaOH. ઓકે, હવે એનું રિએક્શન છે પ્યોર સલ્ફર જોડે કરાવીશું. PbSr2 પ્લસ પ્યોર સલ્ફર gives the lead sulfide plus alkyl sulfide R2H2 માટે. And the lead alkyl sulfide A is reacted with the fresh sulfur mixture 2 માટે to free lead sulfide from disulfide as shown in the figure for reaction B માટે જોયું. અને final reaction is there, PbS plus 4NaOH plus twice O2 gives to Na2PbO twice plus Na2SO4 plus twice H2O, જે એક્સેસ રિએક્શન છે. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.